Ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to discuss the order of operations. So let's talk first off about why we might need an order of operations. Let's say we had a problem like 8 minus 2 times 3. Somebody might say, well, the first thing I'm going to do is 8 minus 2, which is 6, and then I'm going to multiply that by 3, and that equals then 18. This other guy could look at the exact same problem, and he could say 8 minus 2 times 3. He could say, you know what, I like to get my multiplication done first, so I'm going to get 6 and then do 8 minus 6, and that's going to equal 2. Now, certainly 2 and 18 are different things. We have to figure out in math, we have to make sure everybody's on the same page. So these guys figured out, well, let's come up with an order of operations, and let's do the operations in a specific order. And here's the order they came up with. They said, first, we're going to do parentheses. Then we're going to do exponents, which we learned about earlier this week. Then we're going to do all of our multiplication and division, starting at the left and moving right. Then we're going to do all of our addition and subtraction, again, starting at the left and moving right. And this kind of makes a pyramid. We have parentheses, we have exponents, we have division, multiplication, division, and we have addition and subtraction, and addition. So this is the order of operations. So with my question here, my original question, 8 minus 2 times 3, let's try and figure out the best way to do this. So I'm going to first check to see if I have any parentheses. I have no parentheses here. So next I'm going to check exponents. Do I have any exponents? Nope. Then I'm going to go and see if I have any multiplication and division. And I sure do. I have multiplication right here. So the first thing I'm going to do is going to be this 2 times 3. I'm going to drop down to the next level the things I don't use. This 8 and this minus sign. I'm not touching them. 2 times 3 is 6. So now I have only one operation left. I'm going to do 8 minus 6 and get 2 as an answer. So that's how we do order of operations. Let's try a problem that's a little bit trickier. Let's say we have 5 minus 2 in parentheses times 7 divided by parentheses 1 plus 2. All right, so first thing I need to do is check my order of operations. Do I have any parentheses? I sure do. I actually have 2 sets of parentheses here. So I need to do 5 minus 2 is 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. And then drop down what I didn't do. I have a times 7 and a division sign. Next, I'm going to start at the left. I have, let's see, check again. Do I have any parentheses? Nope. Do I have any exponents? Nope. Do I have any multiplication or division? I sure do. So I'm going to start at the left and move to the right. 3 times 7 is 21. Drop down what I didn't use. Now I have just one operation left. 21 divided by 3 is 7. So now, why don't you try one? Why don't you try this one? 7 times 5 minus 2 times 3. Go ahead, pause it, give it a whack. All right, let's see what you came up with. Check for parentheses. Nope. Check for exponents. Nope. Check for multiplication. Yep, I have 35 here, and I have a 6 here. Bring down what you didn't use, which is a sign. 35 minus 6 is 29. All right, so you should follow the directions to find out what you need to do next, and happy hunting.